Alright, so we're starting the process of putting some 4-point harnesses on here. So we gotta take out the stock seat belts. So we had some that were here. We gotta take off this plastic part here to be able to get to this lower seat belt so we can have a mounting bracket for one side here. And then we'll end up taking these off too and using this and this for your lower seat belt. And I believe, since this has a back window on it, I'm gonna come around here and notch this, like right in there, so we can get the belts through there and bolt right there on that bracket. It's attached to the roll over protection stuff. The roll cage. But boys are working hard. We're getting her done.
Yes, it's giving me a good fit because it's up under there, but the plastic is guarding it.
Yeah. Can we pop the plastic off? Alright, so we've taken out the factory latches that were right here. And got these attached for the lower portions of that. What's a bear are these little things here. This has the reel for the lower seat belt. So they're kind of in the way. There's the bolt head, which is, I don't know if I have it in the way. You can see it right there on this side. The problem is it's back up underneath this. So I kind of found if you get a socket back here and kind of rotate this around, you can kind of get to it a little bit better and just bust it loose. But you will have to take the side plastic. There's 3 screws here and a couple of these little plastic push pins. Pull off and you can get access to it. And then it's just bolt up your new seat belt here and bolt up your new seat belt here where the factory latches were. Alright, you can see how I got this reel kind of out of the way so that you can get access to that screw head. And then I was on the other side, I was able to get this little wrench in there, just enough to get it busted loose. Then after that it was easy peasy. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, got that bolt out there. So that's out, and on to the new ones, and here we go.
Peace, woo!
And we ran through this plexiglass here, so we got some cleaning up to do. Came back here and caught this basket mount, since it's all attached to the roll bar. I think it's gonna be way sturdy enough. Anyway, we'll go ahead and cut this second hole and go from there.
So, hey, well, this is where we are at. We got 1 through. We might need to make the hole a little bit better. Sorry, this glass isn't the cleanest. But, yep. I was just gonna little check it. And this is what it should come out to look like. Right here. And there. hooked up there.